Hey everybody, it's your girl Ray Lee. I had a request to start posting some videos, so I decided I'll start posting some videos, coming live from the laundry room. It's like the quietest room in the house, though. This first song is going to be I'm in Love with Another Man by Jasmine Sullivan. I really hope you guys like it. It's one of my favorites. So, here we go. If I could forget him, I would, please believe me. And I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. You treat me so much better than him. And if I was saying there'd be no competition, but I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry. Hey, yeah. You should go and find someone else who will treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man that you are, 'cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. And girls treat you like you treat them, but I know there's plenty women, yeah, who would love to have a man like you, yeah. But I'm in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry, yeah. Oh, but I love someone else. I'm in love with another man, yeah. And I'm so sorry, yeah. Oh, but I love, yeah. I love someone else, yeah. I'm in love, yeah, with another man. But I love someone else, yeah. I'm in love with another man, and I'm so sorry, hey, but I love someone